Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create a viral Reels video on Canva. So guys, before starting the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So guys, open Canva and then you are going to see this home page wherein on the first page itself you need to click on Instagram Reels. If this option is not available, then you guys need to click on the social media and then need to click on Instagram Reels. Or you can search over here also. So then you need to click this option called Instagram Reels and the resolution is 1080 into 1920 pixels. So click on this. So once you click on this, then you are going to see the different templates that you can use. So guys, in this tutorial, first we'll see how we can create a reels using a blank Instagram reels template, and then we'll also use templates like these. So first, let's create a blank Instagram reels. So I'll click on this. A new browser window will open and you are going to see a blank canvas. So guys, currently since there is no content, we have the blank canvas. Now let's add a background. For that, we'll click on elements and then I'll say beach view. So I have searched for the term called beach view. So let's search for a photo and let's add one. So I'll add this one. Okay, so there we go. So this is the beach view photo which I have added. Now I'll double click on it and then I will adjust it. Okay, this is how we adjust. We just drag it. Now our adjustment is done. Okay, so this is the background for a reel. Now let's add an element of mobile. For that we need to click on the search bar again and we'll remove this. Now under all graphics we need to select the mobile frame element. So scroll down. So if this option is not coming, then click on this clear option and then now scroll down. So over here we need to select for the grid. So click on grids, or wait, the option might be available under the frames. Yeah, there we go. So this is the one which we are going to use, the device frame of mobile. So click on this. So once you click on it, then you're going to get this particular option. So let's drag this like this. Okay, then now we are going to add a photo or an image. For that again, so let's add a photo only. Basically we search for basically what we'll say, Indian people will say. Okay. So and I'll click on these photos. Now I'll add one photo. Okay. Yeah, I'll add of this particular lady. Okay. So if you see now the photo has been added inside the mobile device frame. So now double click and then adjust. Okay. So this is how we have created one slide for 5 seconds. Now we'll add another slide for another 5 seconds. So click on this particular add page button. Now let's search for another. Let's basically copy the same background. Okay, Control C and then we'll come and we'll paste. So we got the same, and we'll also copy the this mobile also. And now we'll remove the image which is there in the center. Now we'll search for add some different photo. So we will add this particular this wedding photo. Okay, and if there you go, we have created a reels of 10 seconds. So now what we'll do, we'll animate it. So click on this particular device frame and then click on animate. So guys, over here you get different animation options. So if you just hover, you can see there is rise, pan, fade, pop, wipe, breathe. See, there you go. You can select whatever you want. So I'll select this one. So when I select, I get the properties of it. So like when I want it, I want on both sides, or I want on enter or on exit. So currently on both, that is entry and exit. And then intensity. So this intensity feature is available only on the paid plan. So let's skip this. We also have reverse exit animation. So if you see, the effect was some tumbling which was coming inside the main focus area. Now since we have selected this, now it is moving outside. So let's keep this enabled, and there we go. So we can uh, we also give it for the other slide. So let's click on this particular image and we'll give it something different. So let's select this, or yeah, this looks good both. And for this also we'll do, what is it, yeah, that's all. Now guys, let's play this. So there you go. So this is how we can create reels using in this Canva. So it's super easy guys. So this is the process of creating a Instagram reels using a blank template. Now let's create using the design template. So let's delete this first. So I have deleted. Now if you see, under designs we have different designs. They are the templates. Now I'll search for India, click enter, and there you go. Or we'll add this one. Okay. So as soon as I selected it, it got added over here. So you can then change the basically text. I'll say culture. Then I can change this particular image. So I'll delete this and I'll click on elements. And over here under graphics, I'll add the element. Okay. So there you go. Let's delete this particular image also. And let's move this elephant this side, and there you go. Let's also delete this. Okay, now let's place it properly. Wow, it looks really good. Similarly, you can create also using these design templates which are available inside Canva. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create viral Instagram reels using Canva. So please go ahead and smash that subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.